Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is rectangle. Today question is find the length of rectangle whose perimeter is given 230 centimeter and the breadth is 55 centimeter. So our target to find what is the length of perimeter, what is the length of rectangle. So this breadth is given 55 centimeter, but our target to find what is the length of this rectangle, right? Perimeter is given 230 centimeter. So we now write perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, length plus B, right? Perimeter is equal to 230 centimeter given in the question, right? So 130 centimeter is equal to 2 into L plus 55 centimeter. Breadth is given 55 centimeter, right? Here 230 centimeter. Okay, so 230 centimeter, 2 will be here, will be divided, is equal to L plus 55 centimeter. So it will be 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2 and 2 5 is 10. So 115 centimeter is equal to L plus 55 centimeter. So this is a plus, it will be minus 55 centimeter is equal to L. Now 550 and this will be 50. 1 second. This is a, sorry, it will be 55 centimeter because this is a hair. So this is a 60 centimeter. So length is 60 centimeter of this question, right? See here, rectangle perimeter is 230 centimeter, breadth is 55 centimeter. Our target to find length. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Formula 230 centimeter is equal to 2 into L plus 55 centimeter. Breadth is given 55 centimeter. So 230 by 2, because this is a hair, so 150 centimeter is equal to L plus 55 centimeter. 115 centimeter L plus 55 centimeter. 115 minus 55 centimeter. This is a 55, so this will be minus because this is a hair plus centimeter is equal to L, length. Length is 60 centimeter. So this is the answer of this question. So move to question number 2. Question number 2 is find the cost of fencing around rectangle field of length 90 meter and breadth is 50 centimeter at the rate of Rs 22 per meter. Find the cost of fencing around rectangle. Around rectangle means perimeter. Cost is 22 rupees per meter. So we need find what is the perimeter of this rectangle, right? So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now length is equal to 90 meter and breadth is equal to 50 centimeter. This is a given in centimeter, but this is a given in meter. So we need 50 equal to 1 by 100. 1 minute. One meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is only 50 centimeter. So this is 0.5 meter. So we can say 0.5 meter is breadth, right? Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into 90 each length meter plus breadth is 0.5 meter. So perimeter will be 90 plus half will be 2 into 90.5 meter. So this is a 181 meter. Our target to find what is the cost of fence. So here fence cost is equal to 181 into 22. So after multiply, now see here. So total cost of fence around rectangle 3,982. Okay, this is given in RS. So RS is equal to 3,982. This is the answer of this question. See here friends, once again, breadth is given 50 centimeter, but this is a given in meter. So we need convert in meter, right? So 50 centimeter is a half of 1 meter. So this is a half of meter breadth, and length is 90 meter. 2 into L plus B is perimeter, right? So 2 into 90 meter length and 0.5 meter is breadth. So 2 into 90.5 is equal to 181 meter. Our target to find what is the cost of fencing around the rectangle, right? So fence cost is equal to 181 is total perimeter, and into 22 rupees each cost per meter. So after calculating, we found 3,982. So move to question number 3. Question number 3. In the given figure, same two rectangle, right? Two field of same rectangle and same breadth, same length and same breadth are shown. Find the total perimeter of field. We now write, friends, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now see here, we need total perimeter. AECF rectangle AECF. This length is 1200 meter and this length is also 1200 meter, and length is same. So breadth is 400 meter. So now see here, total length is equal to 1200 and 1200, 2400 meter. Breadth is same, right? Breadth is not change. Now see here, this breadth and this breadth is same. So breadth is equal to 400 meter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2 perimeter is equal to 2400 meter plus 400 meter. Now 2 into 0 0 8 into, so perimeter is equal to 28 to the 56 meter, right? So perimeter is 5600 meter. Total perimeter means total length of outside, right? So perimeter is equal to 5600. So move to question number 5. So thank you for this is today question. So thanks for watching this video and share with your friend. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share. Thanks.